Meet the OMTech Pulse, an entry-level 15-needle embroidery machine built for small businesses and creators ready to level up. The Pulse bridges the gap between hobby machines and full-scale commercial embroidery. It delivers professional results without industrial complexity. This is perfect for apparel brands, creators, shops, and anyone scaling their business. With 15 needles and automatic color change, it can handle difficult multi-color designs with ease. A 10-inch touchscreen keeps everything intuitive, while the red light ensures precise alignment before every stitch. It has a built-in thread break detection, which helps reduce errors and wasted materials. The Pulse supports flat embroidery as well as cap embroidery with a 270-degree rotation, and it also supports garment embroidery. You can create different designs from hats and jeans, as well as tote bags, pillow covers, you name it. If you can hoop it, you can stitch it. Getting started is simple. Upload your design via USB or Wi-Fi, align it on the touchscreen, and press start, and you're ready to get stitching. Watch the smooth color changes, stable stitch paths, and clean thread trimming as the Pulse brings your designs to life. With fast production speeds, versatile applications, and smart controls, the OMTech Pulse makes professional embroidery more accessible than ever. Ready to expand your business or creative lineup? Discover what you can do with the OMTech Pulse.